Hello YouTube followers, your boy Sontwisted. Welcome to PC Central and another unbagging video brought to you by the good folks at UBC. So let's take a gander. What we're looking at here, a nice Target bag. So let's see what we got in here. What I purchased today. Okay. So you may ask yourself, Sontwisted, 2011. Why the hell did you buy a cassette deck Walkman? What the hell are you thinking about? But actually what this is, I don't know if you can see that, the writing there. A cassette to MP3 converter actually allows you to take your cassette tapes, transfer them onto your computer to MP3, and thereby eliminating the need for that outdated media that is the cassette tape. And this is a USB guitar cable. Now, I don't have a guitar. The reason I bought this was also for the same reason of that I bought the cassette converter, so that I can convert, my tapes through the mixer into MP3. And I'll just put the adapter piece, the smaller adapter piece, on the end of that, so that it can fit into the the headphone jack and connect it into the computer USB. And this also comes with a copy of Cakewalk, and you can use Cakewalk to then record the music and convert it into an MP3 player. This was $10. This was actually on clearance. I saw this first, so I picked it up and I was just going to do it that way. And then I saw this, and this was actually $20. So I just picked them both up, so I have two means of doing this. So let's actually unbox this stuff. Get that out the damn way, because that one is going to be a bitch with that childproof plastic on it. Really? Fucking baby zip ties? Really? Motherfuckers. Yeah. Well, I actually have cutters, but they are not down here. So, let's see if I can get a pair of scissors over here somewhere. Huh. Once again, a wretched unboxing. Hell, these goddamn scissors. Let's see if this will do the trick. I'm not sure if that did anything. Oh, it actually is cutting them. Sweet. But we'll cut it. But the shit is so minuscule and tight. This is having a problem even getting to them. Just bear with me, you bastards. Okay. God damn, how many of these things did they put in here? Is this to prevent theft, or does this prevent me from being able to open my shit? What the hell? Ah. Oh, this is all manners of nonsense right now. I think I have all but one cut. Come on. Did I get it? I think I got it. What the hell? Didn't I cut this one already? Come on. This was supposed to be professional. This has devolved into disgusting. What the hell is my knife? This is some bullshit. It's all all manners of nonsense right now. Alright, so there it is. Looks to be about 6 feet. 6 feet long. What the hell is this loop? Okay, I don't know what that weird loop is. But it seems to be about 6 foot long, guitar to USB. Like I said, I would put an adapter on it to minimize. I have an adapter somewhere, I'm not going to show it to you. And also picked up this little device here, plastic opener. Didn't feel like doing an unboxing for it. So this is the open, like, difficult plastic, purchases that have difficult plastic. I don't even know how that part works. But it has another little box cutter piece at the bottom there, so hopefully I don't cut that USB cable. So, yeah, it was completely destroyed. Look at this cheap ass little USB cable here. But what do you want? I paid $20 for the damn thing. So, there's that little very short USB cable. One of many which I already own. Here's the disc. I hate these things. Who decided that this was cool? To give you this little bullshit mini CD crap. This is the instruction manual. One in English, one in Spanish. And here is the actual device. Swings open. I actually saw this online. $20, $30. I don't think it was by Jensen. But it looks like it does basically the same thing. Cassette deck, there's your play, stop, rewind, fast forward. The hell is this? Oh, directional button. I don't know what this little thing does. Looks like your volume is right there. There's the USB. There's your headphone jack. And there it is. It doesn't take any batteries. I believe it's charged by the USB port once you plug it into your PC. And you start taking old tapes. I actually have a drawer full of tapes over there because, back in the 90s and all of that, we wasn't really up on CDs like that. And definitely not on CD burners. So I have a lot of tapes that need to be converted. And that's why I went out and bought this stuff, $30. Hopefully it works properly. I might do a little review of the device after I use it and let you know how good it really works or if it's a piece of crap. But hope you enjoyed this unboxing brought to you by UBC. It's your boy Sontwisted. I am out. Peace.